We are in the last quarter of 2024. So are FB ads still worth it for small businesses going into 2025? As a small business owner, you have probably heard countless times that investing in FB ads is a short way to get a steady stream of customers. For a long time, Facebook ads were a cheap and effective way to generate traffic and leads for your business. The FB algorithms were great at learning about people's likes and preferences, and this helped the platform to run ads based on demographics like where people lived, what they did, and the kind of products or services they found useful. It was also easy to use, and the Facebook Pixel further simplified tracking to make it a go-to tool for most marketers. But in 2021, Apple launched iOS 14 for their iPhones. This allowed people to prioritize the privacy of their valuable data, and people could choose if they wanted to let Facebook track their data or not. Suddenly, for Facebook to see who was buying what or what services they signed up for. To make matters worse, the cost of FB ads also started to hit through the roof. Back in 2020, the average cost of leads was around $4 per lead. Fast forward to 2023, this went up to $23. Also, the availability of other cheaper ad services like TikTok ads, YouTube, Snapchat, and Amazon has contributed to Facebook ads losing some of its earlier market share, though it still remained ahead of the pack. Now, to understand why the cost of securing leads went high, you need to understand Facebook ad objectives. When you are launching an ad, Facebook allows you to decide on a specific goal that you want to achieve with your ad. This can be getting more traffic, securing leads, or customers making purchases. Depending on the objective you choose, Facebook is going to show your ads to people who are most likely to do that for you. The closer your ad objective is to the direct sales, the higher your ad cost. In many cases, it is just too expensive for small business owners to go for the sales objective. To resolve this issue, many business owners go for the traffic objective to get more visitors to their website. The problem here is that the people are most likely to simply visit your website are not the same people who are also eager to buy your products. Traffic leads may be cheaper, but they are also not likely to get the revenue you want. One of the ways to get around this obstacle is to build your own email list. You can offer something for free that your customers find value in, like a discount, a guide, or some special piece of content that they find useful. This can help you to get their email address, and you can then approach them later through email marketing campaigns. Direct CTAs almost always suffer from low conversion rates, around 0.1% to 0.2%. You will have a greater chance of securing sales through email marketing. But this approach adds another layer of complexity. To secure conversions in this way, you will need to draw people in with your ad, then get them to sign up with your email list, and finally use email marketing to convert them. Now, Meta has launched a bunch of AI features, but it's too early to conclusively state whether those can save it from the privacy regulations it's facing from Apple and Google. So, if you ask me, here's how I would decide my ad budget going into 2025. Facebook is best for running retargeting ads for people that have visited your website and getting them on your email list. Google ads are best for targeting pain points with good search traffic. For example, if people are searching for how to fix a hacked site and your product is an antivirus and looks convincing like this, then that ad will perform really well. Finally, LinkedIn is best for targeting B2B audiences or decision makers for brand awareness. For example, Bionic Ads found that for approximately $8,000 they spent on LinkedIn and Google Ads, LinkedIn had almost double the impressions that Google did, even though Google had more conversions. So if the goal is brand awareness, LinkedIn is really great. Regardless of whichever platform you end up using, you'll need a fast website that loads properly when people finally visit you. And also, because slow websites are poisonous for your SEO. So to get a 90+ page speed score fast, try the free plugin called Eleven, because it literally works like magic and does all the optimization your site needs. It's from the same makers of Malcare and Blogworld, so you can trust it too. Just click the link in the description and install it for free. Comment below if you've liked it.